Hello, beautiful people. If you're a fan of adventure, luxury, and incredible experiences, I've got something for you. Armed Forces Officers Mess, Asokoro, Abuja. Come, let's check it out. Picture this, a breathtaking hotel tucked away with a serene backdrop of Abuja's lush greenery. Beautiful landscape, towering mountains. Wait, it even gets better. This is just any hotel. It's a military-designed luxurious hotel, showcasing the beauty and the art of our military. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine a place where every comfort is tailored with artistic and historical beauty. A place where true heroism is celebrated. Well, folks, that's what Afam Asokoro is all about, and I can't wait to share all the incredible details with you. The amenities at this hotel are mind-blowing, from luxurious suites with panoramic views and an amazing view of the federal capital. They've got it all. The hotel offers an array of thrilling activities, from the wine lounge to the poolside. There's something for everyone. Join me as I take you to explore this amazing hotel and suites. What makes this hotel truly exceptional is the sense of community and support it fosters. It is not just a place to relax, it is a place to connect, share stories, explore mountains, go on adventure nearby, and create a bond with the country's history. Bond you form here is beyond words, and that's what sets it apart from any other hotel. So time to go explore places. Let's go! So first, come with me to the restaurant. Even our cuisines are aligned with the beautiful cultures of Nigeria. The beautiful, gigantic hall where you can use for your weddings, retirement parties, social and corporate events. Come with me. The lounge, poolside and bush bar, the mountain view, hallway, rooms are exclusive rooms. Check out the artwork. This is a lavish venue for your next professional gathering. Edge conference facilities and versatile meeting spaces. Our conference rooms are equipped to ensure seamless presentations and optimal productivity. So whether you're looking for a lavish venue for your next professional gathering or a well-deserved vacation, Afam Asokoro is the place to be. Okay, so we're actually going to be asking this particular guest what her stay here has been like. Yes, I said her because I saw her. She looks really beautiful and calm, so I'm just going to be knocking. Hello, ma'am. My name is Adama Loved, and we're just going around and asking our guests what their experience here has been like. Would you be open to granting us an interview?
Why not? Sure.
Can we come in?
Fine, you can.
All right. Okay. Wow. This place
Make
is
yourself comfortable.
lovely. This place is lovely, 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 lovely. I love everything about this place. It's so beautiful. Okay, so.
Do you mind?
Ah, thank you. You look so beautiful, by the way.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, what has your? I know, right? So what has your stay here been like? Can you tell me your experience?
Wow. Armed Forces Officers Mess is a home away from home.
Oh wow.
Yes, I feel like I'm still at home here.
Wow.
I've been here for like a week now. But I just like their services. Everything about here is just awesome.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. So I'm saying this because you're not a military person, and a lot of people think this place is exclusive to military personnel. So that is why I chose you. There are a lot of other guests, but I chose to come meet you so that you could give your own side of the story, the service and everything. So what do you have to say to other people who probably are not aware of this beautiful resorts?
Their services are top notch. The rooms are spacious, nice.
Okay, can you take us to your room?
Fine, why not?
Alright, take us to your room. Let's see your room.
Okay.
Show us around your wardrobe.
This is my wardrobe.
Okay, this is beautiful. Okay, I definitely cannot wait to come spend my birthday weekend here. I know it's going to be Okay, Armed Forces Officers Mess, it's a pleasure being here. The rooms, the wine lounge, the hall, everything about this place is top notch. What are you waiting for? Come and spend some time here. It will be worth it. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your time. Thank you for having me. Thank you for having me. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. So here's where you come in, my amazing viewers. This hotel is fresh out of the box. Share this video far and wide. Spread the word. Tag your friends, family, and anyone who would love to be part of this unforgettable experience. Thank you so much for being a part of this journey with me. Together, we'll make the Afam Asokoro a place where heroes and heroines like you can unwind, feel appreciated, and build lifelong connections. I'll be sharing all the updates on this incredible initiative. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay awesome.